Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for taking a moment of your time to click on this video. I appreciate it. And I want to show you real quick an opportunity that you can take advantage of. It's all about selling on Amazon. So, if you clicked on this video because you're looking to make some extra income, that is what this is all about. This falls into that realm of that side hustle, that additional income, that work from home, that sell on the internet. All of that is possible, and you can do it when you partner with Amazon. It's very easy. I do it even though I have a regular job as a full-time truck driver, and I'm very transparent. So if you watch my channel, I talk about that all the time. I've made videos at work, so this is what I do. It is not complicated, and I don't need to make it complicated for you. It's very simple, but it is work. But let me just show you real quick. In the name of transparency, I'm going to show you my back office in Amazon. Okay, it's called Seller Central. It's the software that they give you in order to sell your products and see what you're doing. So if you come down to this area, you can see that today is May the 4th. The year is 2020. And I'm going to refresh this. Hopefully we got another sale in today. Oh, we did not. So today we've sold 2 units for $22.96, and then the last 7 days you can see how many units we've sold and what that total revenue was. And if you look at the last 15 days, you can see what we've done in the last 30 days. So if you take today and you go back 30 days, we've sold 924 units for a total of $19,365.99. That's in revenue. And you watch the channel, I talk about keeping anywhere between 20 and 30% of that after all expenses. So, I just want to show you, before we go any further, I need to be vetted. You need to know what is possible, because that's what this video is about, guys. I want to give you, if you don't have it already, I want to give you hope and show you that you can do this. This channel, we always start with showing what I'm doing. The numbers change. Here, let me show you something. If you look at the last 7 days, what you can do is you can open this up and watch this. We're going to go the last 30 days. Okay. Now you can see every tick mark here. Every tick is revenue, total revenue that came in for that day. Now, and I can tell you the truth. You're talking April. This chart starts with April the 4th, because we went back 30 days. And, here's the deal. A lot of my revenue shot up tremendously as a result of the current crisis, COVID-19, coronavirus, whatever, because you went through a period where people were really going crazy as far as shopping, and that went not only in the stores, but that was also online as well. And now as we get closer to May, you see a downward trend here. Okay, but that's okay, and let me show you why. Number one, it's okay because I need to show you reality. I don't need to just show you numbers when everything is looking good. This is life. Like any business, you're going to have ups and downs, and that's okay. Watch this. We're going to look. So we're going to go into our business report section. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at year to date. Okay. We're going to apply that. And now watch what happens. We're starting in January. Okay. And what you're seeing is what I did in total revenue for January, and then you're comparing it to last year. So look at for the month of January, we did $12,650.44. But if you look what we did for the month of January back in 2019, we only did $4,374.15. This is before the coronavirus went crazy. And right there, you can see I was able to increase about 3 times what I was doing in the previous year. So it wasn't just the coronavirus. I was already on an upward trajectory. Okay. Then you come to February. Okay. We were January, February, about the same thing. Oh, nope. Wait a minute. That's not true. February, coronavirus. Let me make sure I'm on the right one. Yeah. So about the same thing for February. Then March, I'm sorry, that's when the coronavirus really hit. And then you saw me go up to 23,454. Now, again, I don't mind telling you that that was just something that happened as a result of the coronavirus, and it helped because I was busy in the business. I had myself positioned to take advantage of that. That's the reason why it's so important for you guys to get started, because you don't know what's coming down the road. This only worked for me because I was in position. I was already doing the business. I was active. Otherwise, I would not have been able to take advantage of that. So now you see where I jumped up, now you're talking like 4 times what I had done the previous year, right? And now we go to April and things started to go down. We went from 23,454, we dropped down to 20,882. But if you compare that to last year, what are you talking? Let's see here. You're talking 6, almost 7 times the amount that I did in the previous year for the month of April. So these are the numbers, just so that you can see what I'm doing. And then if you come, of course, right now we're only 4 days into May, and you can kind of see where we are so far with that. But I just wanted to do that. If you come back to the channel, guys, and if you watch, you're going to see that I'm very transparent. And I always start with showing you exactly the kind of numbers that I'm doing. That's very important. And, the thing about, and I'm just going to touch on this because what I want to do is show you a real example of how you could be making money here on Amazon. And let me talk about a little bit what the problems are. The problems when it comes to, learning a side business that you can make money with, or even just selling on Amazon in particular, there's information overload. When you're on the internet looking for opportunities, think about it. You got YouTube, Facebook, you got your forums. How do you vet a channel? Okay. You're on YouTube right now, so we're going to use that as an example. How do you vet a channel and know that they have your best interest at heart and that you can actually trust them? Well, I have my ways. Maybe it may help you, but here's the way I look at it. Okay. The question I always have is, how long have they been up? And the reason I say that is because it's just easy, as you know, it's easy for anybody to just throw up a video on YouTube. That takes nothing. The question is, how long have they been doing it? This is life, and it's going to affect a content creator the same way life affects you. Things don't always go right. So if they've been out there for a year, I would say 2 years, then they're committed to what they're doing and adding value to the marketplace, because things aren't going to go right. Did they stick with it at a minimum for 1 year? And this is just my way of vetting a channel. Maybe you agree with it, maybe you don't, but I just wanted to share that. So like I said, how long have they been up? Number 2, are they transparent? If this is supposed to be about making money, are they showing you the kind of money that they're generating? Okay. And that means every time. You can't just show it when everything's going good. All of my videos, we're putting up 3 videos a week now, and they all start with me showing my numbers. Sometimes they're up, sometimes they're down, but what are the averages? This is the whole point I'm making. I don't have to just show you when things are good, because I don't have an agenda of trying to sell you something. I'm here to help you out. And that brings me to my next point. If you're on a YouTube channel, is everything you need to get what they're claiming you can get? Is everything you need on the channel? In other words, I can tell you right now what I want you to do. I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new videos. We're coming out with 3 a week. I want you to watch the next video, and that's why you need to just stay on here. This video is not going to be long. We're suggesting the next video for you to watch, so hang in there. And then I want you to join me live, because every Saturday we have a live stream. That way you can get to know me better, you can interact, you can ask questions, and you can get with the other working class hustlers. That's what I call the people who are part of this family, who want to do things like me. They want to work their regular job, because you don't have to quit, and they want to make extra money on the side, and they're willing to work for it. Okay, so now let's go in, and I want to show you the way I actually make the money. I'm going to make this quick, so it's not going to be too long, but just to give you an idea. Oh, look, see, we got another order now. While I'm talking to you, an order came in. You see how this works, guys, in real time. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is a software that I use called Tactical Arbitrage. If you're working from home and you want to do what we call arbitrage, that's where you're buying products at a discount at regular stores and you turn it right around and selling it on Amazon. This is a must-have. You have to do it if you value your time. Okay, but we're not going to get into that, because we got a whole mini series that's out here on this channel that you can watch and learn that. All I want to tell you is that this software is vital. I mean, you literally have to have it if you're going to use that method. And I don't down any other methods. There's wholesale, there's private label, there's creating your own products. All of those work. I choose arbitrage because it's easy to get into. We got a whole nother video that talks about why, so you can watch that. All I want to say is they have a 7-day free trial. I would ask that you go down in the description and sign up under me for a 10-day free trial. And that's all I'm going to say about it. But here's just an example. This is what the software looks like. It does all the work for you. It searches websites, it finds the deals based on the categories that you want to sell in, what kind of money you want to make. And this is just an example. If you went to Target, you could buy this 8.75 ounce magical slime activator liquid, and with tax I'm going to pay $5.62. It's selling on Amazon for around $13.51. You could basically take that $5.62, turn it into $5.86. So you're talking about a 104% return on investment, meaning you doubled your money. With this software, you can look at a glance and you can see your estimated 528 sales a month. You have 11 people, so we'll round it down just for the sake of easy numbers. If you were to divide it up equally among these people, they could probably count on 40-50 units each that they're selling a month. 40-50 times 586. You can do the math, guys. Put yourself in there, and now you divide it by 12. But let me just show you. If right in here you could click on, and there you would find the product. Make sure that it's at the price. Make sure that you can have it shipped to you, or you can pick it up if you want to go do what's called retail arbitrage and go into the store. Then all you do is click here, look on Amazon, and you can see what it's selling at. And right now you can see Amazon actually has the product. It's okay if they have it, because you'll learn how to use your charts, and then you can see how often they are going out of stock. You see the tan area? That's Amazon. But look it, they keep going out of stock. And they may come back in a little bit, and then they go out of stock. And then they come in a little bit, they go out of stock. And every time they go out of stock, the price jumps. This is just an example, guys, of what you can do So nothing's perfect out here, but you see the kind of numbers that I do. So that's the reason why you want to watch the next video. You want to continue to learn, stay on this channel, subscribe, and everything you need to get going is right there. And there's only one other thing that I want to cover, and that is, the fact that if you're going to do this business, you got to love the hunt. This is like a treasure hunt. I love hunting for the deals, and I love the power of being able to create income for myself. And I feel good about adding value to the marketplace. Think about it, guys. Amazon is worth $1 trillion. Do you think they matter? You bet they do. And when you partner with them, you're going to matter too. It's easy. You can get started. Everything you need is right here. So go ahead and watch the next video, and I'll see you there. Click here to watch the next video and become an expert at tactical arbitrage.